afternoon, and what we're doing today is we're taking a look at some of the footage I recorded at the NEC 2019 restoration show on work that I completed on my XJ40, which I did not upload at the time. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually replacing one of the rear fog lamps, and the XJ40 has two fog lamps and one of them is not working properly. So starting on the inside of the car, you pull back the carpet and there is a multi-plug connector here which you need to unplug and pull off. Later cars have a different style connector. The connector itself goes through the bumper, through a rubber grommet and into the back of the car, and you can get to that by just moving some of the carpet again out of the way. Now the cable is quite long, so there's plenty of cable there, and as you can see here, this is the original and this one is the replacement. Now the replacement didn't have a central little connector for the actual bulb. There's a couple of ways you can actually fix this. You can either get an old radio bullet fuse connector that you used to find on old car radios, or you can take some wire, take the wire from here, strip off quite a bit, fold it over and then cover the fold with solder. You need to make sure that you're actually through the little plastic centerpiece. What I was just showing there is the earlier housings actually have a little British Leyland roundel on them, whereas the later ones don't. So there's a little plastic aperture I was talking about earlier, and as I said before, what you need to do with that is you need to take your wire and literally sort of put that wire through the little hole in the centre. There's a spring and a plastic hole. Fold over the wire and just solder in the wire itself. The negative terminal goes onto that little post that you can see at the bottom of the picture, or it was at the bottom of the picture, and you just need to solder your wire onto that, so make sure that you've stripped down enough wire to be able to do it. Refitting is a case of pushing the unit back into the bumper, obviously feeding the cable back through the rear of the car and plugging it back in. Anyway, that was a quick video. Hope you found it useful, and if you would like to subscribe, please hit that like button and also consider subscribing. Thank you once again for watching.